Welcome to Olivia's, located at the Old Key West Resort, serving lunch and dinner daily. The service was top-notch, and the food was outstanding. This quaint cafe captures the essence of Key West with its antique and nautical vibes, plus an open patio overlooking the resort's surrounding water. The atmosphere here is incredibly relaxed. Be sure to try the coconut bread. It's truly unique. My salad was flavorful and the fried chicken, delicious. Don't hesitate. Grab a seat on the patio at Olivia's and enjoy.